Drive Component Solutions. SUNSTAR Engineering manufactures motorcycle sprockets and disc rotors, as well as various automobile parts. Our products help people around the world enjoy 2- and 4-wheel journeys in greater safety and comfort. We are specialists in metal press working, with expertise in processing high-thickness plates. Our range of press machines are capable of exerting up to 2,000 tons of force, and our fine blanking machines reliably produce automobile parts in volume, enabling us to meet high-capacity needs. We are also equipped with a fiber laser machine, ideal for small-lot multi-product production, and extensive molding facilities, which enable us to produce a wide range of molds in-house. We can seamlessly manufacture products, starting with press working using our own molds, through to secondary processes such as polishing, tempering, and logo printing, all in-house. Our quality control processes combine the latest equipment with highly skilled human checks, enabling us to provide products of the highest quality for use worldwide. SUNSTAR Engineering.